I'm Jane Simpson, and I'm currently one of the directors of GS Artists. GS Artists started life as my personal project, Assembly Simpson, and through working with interns from Swansea School of Art, we've built up a team of directors that now form a not-for-profit company called GS Artists, and we work with young artists, international artists. We provide a gallery that is very flexible. It can be a studio space, it can have residencies, it has events, it has a multitude of ways of working, because obviously that's the way you have to be today as an artist or as a gallery. So I think the biggest challenge, is relevance, because I think in a changing world we have to really think about whether our artwork and our contribution is relevant. I mean, no, I'm probably a little bit different to lots of artists, and I don't think that we necessarily just deserve funding as artists, because nobody put a gun to my head and told me I had to be an artist. Nobody did that. So the fact is that really as artists we do need to work as hard as everybody else, and there's no reason. I think there is a sense amongst lots of artists that there's entitlement, that you're entitled to have funding, you're entitled to have attention just because you're an artist. But I really believe that we should work for that, and I think the contemporary art world, the way it's changing, is realising that, and it's evolving. Well, the future for us is very rosy, because basically we're finding our feet as an organisation, we're expanding, we're becoming more confident about who we are, to the point that we've just written our own manifesto just as a statement of intent about how we see ourselves evolving. And we will follow other very good artist-run spaces, a business plan of getting a bigger space next year, expanding, getting studios within that building, and hopefully recouping money from that to help generate, pay for our existence. One of the things that came out of today was get stuck in. I loved that, just get stuck in. That's fine, and that is absolutely right. And don't ask too many questions. In a way, just do it is what I would say. And don't expect to get an income, and don't expect fame and fortune, and do expect to work really long hours, and do expect to have the question mark why follow you all around all the time, because you'll be constantly thinking it all the time. But the benefits long term are enormous, because from my point of view, the shared enjoyment of being a team, working together as an artist collective, is just, you can't quantify it.